the space of 12 seconds, the main tremor of the Algerian earthquake had shattered the town of Orleansville and almost completely destroyed many villages in the surrounding district. These pictures, taken immediately afterwards, reveal the appalling devastation in the town. Early estimates put the loss of life at over 1,000 people, with perhaps 5,000 injured and a huge number rendered homeless. The fact that the shock occurred in the middle of the night must have made such a terrifying catastrophe more terrifying still. Even as rescue work got underway, more tremors were reported to have shaken the area.